Want to unlock exclusive content on OnlyFans using your debit card? It's quicker and simpler than you think. First things first, make sure you have your debit card handy with sufficient funds for your desired subscription or tip. OnlyFans accepts most major debit cards, including Visa and MasterCard. Once you've logged into your OnlyFans account, navigate to the creators page you wish to subscribe to, or the specific post you want to tip. You'll see a subscribe button with a monthly price, or a tip option if you're looking to support a specific post. Click on it to proceed. A payment window will appear, presenting various options. Select debit, credit card to securely enter your card details. Now, carefully enter your 16-digit debit card number. The expiry month and year is shown on your card, and the 3 or 4-digit CVC security code from the back of your card. You'll also need to input the exact name as it appears on your card and your billing address associated with the card. Accuracy here is key to prevent transaction issues. After reviewing all your details, click the Confirm Payment button. The system will then securely process your transaction. And just like that, your payment is processed. You'll receive a confirmation, and the exclusive content will be instantly accessible for you to enjoy. It's truly that straightforward. Now you're all set to explore and support your favorite creators on OnlyFans seamlessly and securely using your debit card. Enjoy!